To break it on down. In the daytime, I think not. I'd rather do you after school like some homework. Am I getting you hot in my bedroom? Cause then we'd have to stop. I'd rather wait till everyone's fast asleep and do it in the kitchen on a tabletop. Oh, we got to break it on down, down, down. Can you hear me, girl? Break it down. I don't want nobody else to hear the sound. This love's a private affair. calling out my name. It had been so long since I've heard it that it didn't really sound quite the same, no. But it let me know that my name had never really been spoken before. Before the day I carried you through the bridal path door. And ever since the day I haven't wanted anyone but you. And anybody who really knows me knows the truth, that I just can't stop writing songs about you. I love you so much. I just can't wait to get my arms around you, feel your touch. Hey, if I don't see you real soon, baby girl, I might go insane. I know it's only been 3 hours, but I love it when you call my name. Yes, I do. Heard a voice on the news saying people wanna stop the war. Stop the war. If they had a love as sweet as you, they'd forget what they were fighting for. What's the matter with the world today? Land of the free. Somebody lied. They can bug my phone and people round my home. They'll only see you and me making love inside. Just can't stop writing songs about you. I love you so much. I just can't wait to get my arms around you. Feel your touch. If I don't see you real soon, baby girl, I might go insane. I know it's only been 3 hours, but I love it when you call my name. And never seen the moon look so lovely as the night I saw it with you. Let me know I'd never seen the moon before. Never seen the moon before. So many speak of the moon as though it had no flaws, but to compare it to a beauty like yours would give one pause. Nothing about you is false. That's why your love is real. That's why your love is real. God forbid if you belong to another, I'd have to take you from your I might be tempted to break the law around here, because your beauty, it gives it one pause. It slows me down. Just can't stop writing songs about you. I love you so much. I just can't wait to get my arms around you. Feel your touch. If I don't see you real soon, baby girl, I might go since you took your love away. I go out every night, sleep all day, since you took your love away.
Since you've been gone, I can do whatever I want. I can see whoever I choose.